got his foot over his back.
He's relaxing. He's all relaxed. That wouldn't be relaxing for us.
What? He got two tails. And a well, maybe not the best I can
There's two monkeys, supposedly. Two monkeys up there, the little kitty ones.